15 easy French recipes that anyone can make. For decades, French cuisine has set the bar high, but it isn't necessarily simple. These enhanced dishes will bring something fresh to your technique and table, from souffles to croissants to crepes. You may not speak French, but by the end of the night, you'll be saying, oh la la. 1. Best ever beef bourguignon. Homemade beef bourguignon is a labor of love if done correctly. It's not exactly a quick weeknight meal. However, this does not imply that it is difficult. 2. Gouaches, cheese puffs. These cheese puffs, also known as gouaches, are a triple threat. They're simple to make, look amazing, and taste incredible. The good news is that you probably already have the majority, if not all, of the components on hand. 3. Potatoes au gratin. If you haven't already become addicted to French cuisine, you will. 4. Easy chocolate souffle. Souffles don't have to be intimidating. Aside from being one of our all-time favorite chocolate treats, it's also shockingly simple to make. 5. Baked brie in puff pastry. A beloved appetizer with only a few minutes of preparation time. 6. Coq au vin. For good reason, this is the quintessential French chicken meal. 7. Croque madame. Thinly sliced ham, soft, melty cheese, and an audible crunch as you bite into the toasted bread characterize this sandwich. All day long, you'll be chanting, oh la la. 8. Lioness potatoes. These traditional French-style potatoes are fantastic. 9. Easy French macarons. These exquisite cookies are crisp, chewy, soft, and airy all at the same time. 10. Apple tart. This tart is quite stunning, and it's a lot easier to create than you might think. 11. Quiche lorraine. This is something you'll want to smell every morning when you wake up. 12. Tart tatin. Okay, you've probably never heard anybody say it, but this tart tatin is so wonderful and easy to make that it should be the national pastry. Move over, croissant. 13. Vegan French onion stew. This vegan recipe isn't exactly traditional, but it's packed with flavor and protein from lentils, which the French like. 14. Classic French bread. French bread is a versatile bread that may be manufactured at home. It's delicious ripped apart and eaten raw, sliced open for banh mi sandwiches, or toasted for garlic bread. 15. Chocolate banana crepes. The possibilities are unlimited if you have a batch of crepes on hand. But perhaps you should begin with chocolate. Thank you for watching. Remember to share, like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.